Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change playlist name on Spotify. But yeah guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, of course, you have to open your Spotify apps on your phone. And then in this home page, you have to tap on your library. It's in the bottom toolbar. And now tap the playlist you want to edit the name of. After that, in this page, you have to tap the three dots icon. And then select edit here. Now you'll enter the edit playlist. Tap the title and change it however you like. I'm gonna name it by random. And if you're done, then select save in the top right corner. And it's done. Your playlist name is already changed. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.